Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host machine now. Enable the user account you'll use, install updates, and turn off sleep. This keeps the session reachable. Next, pick your protocol. Built-in RDP is fast on Windows, VNC works cross-platform, and Cloud Agents handle NAT for you. Once done, configure firewall rules and note the host IP or dynamic DNS name. This is essential because you need a reachable endpoint before attempting a connection. Now you harden access. Set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if the tool supports it, because credentials alone are risky. Then configure remote access. Either forward a specific port on your router to the host machine or use the vendor's relay service to avoid exposing ports. Make sure to secure traffic with TLS or an SSH tunnel and create a limited user account for remote sessions so you avoid granting full administrator privileges unnecessarily. To finish, launch your client and enter the host's address, port, and login. Test locally first to confirm basic access. Once connected, tweak display quality, file transfer and clipboard permissions, and audio settings to match your bandwidth. Lower image quality if lag appears. If the connection fails, check the host service status, firewall rules, router port forwarding, and whether your ISP blocks inbound ports. As a quick fix, use the Cloud Relay option to bypass NAT or call up your router settings to recheck forwarding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.